The FDA has approved the first over-the-counter birth control pill. Opill is a once-a-day contraceptive pill that will be sold without a prescription, and there will be no age restrictions on sales. The U.S. now joins 100-plus countries around the world to offer over-the-counter birth control pills. The company says being able to buy the pill at the drugstore will lower barriers to reproductive care. KTVU's Alice Wirtz joins us now. She's in the newsroom with reaction from here in the Bay Area. Alice.
Yeah, that's right, Julie. Women of all ages now will have access to the birth control pill without a prescription, regardless of where they live or how old they are. It's called the Opill, and it's the first birth control pill to be approved for over-the-counter access. 45% of 6 million pregnancies in the U.S. are unintended every year. This decision was unanimous by the FDA, which will minimize barriers to access. Women of all ages now will have access to the birth control pill without a prescription, regardless of where they live or how old they are. It's called the Opill, and it's the first birth control pill to be approved for over-the-counter access. 45% of 6 million pregnancies in the U.S. are unintended every year. The decision was unanimous by the FDA, which will minimize barriers to access.
The barriers that come with the prescription requirement, like having to see a doctor, getting off time from work, getting off time from school, finding childcare, the cost of the visit, all of those things. This access to a pill directly over the counter will mean that people can have vastly different access to a highly effective birth control method.
Women I spoke with noted there are still barriers to access, but this approval will help.
Oh, yeah. Well, there is birth control pills that are just like $10 a month, but that might even be prohibitive for some people. But just getting the prescription sometimes is hard. And that, if that's what you need and that's what you want, you should be able to go buy it.
This move by the feds marks a historic and revolutionary change in health access for women. Doctors saying the impacts will affect time, money, access, and choice.
On the outset, it just seems like a medical issue. A pill over the counter, just like buying ibuprofen or aspirin, but actually it has so many other societal implications.
Women I spoke to agreed. This is a remarkable decision by the FDA that promotes women's autonomy when it comes to reproductive health.
I think it's amazing. I think that women should have access to anything to do with their bodies and should not be denied any rights. So I'm happy that it's going to give people more options.
Yes, now there are 100 other countries that offer birth control in the form of the pill without a prescription. As for when it will be available, probably not till next year, and no word as to the price just yet. In the newsroom live, I'm Alice Wirtz, KTVU Fox 2 News.
All right, Alice, thank you.